What's up, Doug?
What up, Jeffy?
So we're back at Jeffy's Speed Shop today, and we got the Z back in here clearly. There's this smaller fuel pump that we're going to try so we can dial down those PSI. And then it left me wanting more on the noise level. So I think we're just going to hack this giant pile of crap muffler out of here. And then we're going to use this random piece of straight pipe and this really nice Amazon tip. And that's going to just, you know, I don't know, it could be better. So basically, it's got a really weird hanger set up on it. So we're going to try and just take that off. Surprisingly, it came out in one piece. So we're going to separate that, and then we're just going to hack this muffler off and start welding. Maybe we're welding that piece back on.
Let me knock all the dust off, mate.
Okay. Yeah, so worst case, we can weld this guy right to the pipe, but that's right where I gotta cut and weld anyways. So we're just gonna, for now, okay, the car's still on a jack stand. For now, we're just gonna bend it out of the way, and I'm gonna grab the Sawzall, and we're just gonna go whoop right here as close as we can to the stupid muffler that we're not gonna reuse.
You know, I'm sitting here looking at where you got this jack stand. It looks great. I'm telling.
All right, you got your safety squints on there, bud?
Yep.
I mean, look at that thing. Who would want this on their turbo car? You can't, there's nothing even cool about it. It's just, at any rate. So we're gonna clean this up. We're gonna get, you know, a good ground for the sparkle machine, and we're gonna test some fitments. Okay, so we got a fancy little tack on there. We butt welded another piece together because we didn't have enough. And then that is gonna sit roughly right in there, maybe a little bit higher. And that is gonna look great. So we're gonna cobble weld this together and then we'll come back.
Well,
looks pretty sweet though, right, Doug?
yeah, I like it. I think it's gonna look good.
Hell yeah.
Hopefully it sounds a lot better.
Yeah, it might leak a little.
Old Jumpy trying to pretend he's a welder.
So we ran into our first problem. I didn't make sure that it was all the way up, and that looks pretty stupid. I mean, look at the gap in between there. So I think we're gonna do a pie cut back here and use the jack, push it up more, and then so, you know.
You guys ready?
Do you think they're ready to see this magic?
I don't think you're ready. It's greatness.
So we went from this big old hunky piece of shit to that beautiful son of a bitch. I can't wait to hear how it sounds. Yeah, look at all that fabric hobbling down there.
Definitely won't leak.
No, not at all. Why would you say that? We don't make things leak around here. I'm an expert welder. I'm sure I'll let you weld it. You're probably better. Okay, we're going to go fish a battery out of something real quick, change this fuel pump, and then you guys can just, wow, yeah, that's what it's going to be. Magical.
It's going to be a magical moment.
It's like going to be the first time that you saw a set of boobies. That's how magical it's going to be.
I don't know if you can beat that. That's pretty magical.
It's going to be close to that, like a third best, yeah. Well, we're still battling fuel pressure even with the smaller pump, but it'll at least run for now so we can hear how it sounds. You want to hear how my freaking can sounds?
You want to hear how my friggin' can sounds? Brap, 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 brap.
Turbo on it now, boys!
That sounds
I got Big Will from Big Will's Barbecue helping me out. You know, old Douglas is off visiting children or something. Anyways, so we're back on the Z here. Will's holding a premium
NGK race spark plug.
Yeah, that's high performance. We went ahead and swapped the regulator back to the return side because it didn't do anything different on the supply side. Blew air through the return hose before we did that, disconnected it from the fuel cell, and then we put a filter in there just to make sure that no other trash goes through it. Some shit did blow out, but we still have too much fuel pressure. I guess, I don't know, I mean, as soon as we touch the fuel pump, it dies, and I can't lower it any, so our next guess is that the injectors are sticking, so we're actually going to take that super sweet spark plug out, and we're going to jam an inspection camera in there and see what happens. Because, I mean, this thing cheeches like a friggin' diesel, so there's got to be something going on. I don't know what else I could be missing aside from the obvious here. I don't think it would be a mass airflow problem. You know, Z experts, help me out. What do you guys think? Why? It's got a 280ZX swap. Why, when it runs, it'll run with no fuel pressure, but as soon as I turn the fuel pump on, even at 40 PSI, it just dies immediately because it overloads with fuel. Okay, so we've made a discovery. It ended up hydrolocking while we were doing that test, and I was messing with it. So I put a towel over this so it wouldn't spray us. And all of a sudden, number 3 was just like a geyser. She's a squirter.
She's a squirter. She's squirting. Peter, we got a squirter.
So I think that's got to be the one hanging up. The other ones were okay. No excessive fuel came blowing out of them. So instead of breaking all my injectors, I'm going to try to only break one and take that out and clean it.
Bitch.
What'd you do?
Backed out of the NGK website.
Shit.
Finding spark plugs.
More money.
More money.
More money, more problems.
Unfortunately.
So just to make sure, we're going to hook the inspection camera back up. We're going to throw the light on in here. And we're going to see if we can just catch a glimpse of her just squirting at us without breaking my camera tip off in the engine, but being able to see at the same time. So we're going to add a little fuel pressure to the system. Okay. I don't see anything dripping right now. I think we're out of the way of the piston. Can you see the camera?
Mm-hmm.
God, it's going to spray me right in the face, I know it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah.
That is hung wide open.
Oh, yeah.
Shoo!
Look at all the fucking fuel
Yep.
sitting on top of the piston.
Yep. So we'll look in the other ones real quick.
Nothing.
That's pretty dry. That's definitely dry.
Yep. It's dry.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's so
Check the back ones here.
Yep.
Dry. Dry.
Yeah.
And dry.
Yeah.
So yeah, number 3,
Oh, yeah.
you can see it. It's full of fuel. That injector is stuck wide open, guys. So there you go. Sometimes you just gotta have a $50 tool from Jegs and a little bit of know-how in Big Will's Barbecue, and you can slap that sauce and wash the piston rings right out. So this is how we discovered that it was number 3. We were trying to blow the fuel out of it. Oh, okay, well last time it was a geyser, dude. It was like Mount Vesuvius. Vape tricks in here. You see all that?
Vape tricks.
This car is giving her the old cheat still, so yeah, I don't think that fixed it. Will had a brilliant idea. Just unplug it and then start it again and see what happens, and then maybe we'll just make the brakes work good enough to go drive it and see what happens. I don't know. I'm gonna order an injector still, but hey, you know, let's see what happens.
So, I mean, it should still, technically, it might run like dog shit, it might not.
Yeah, that's very true. I mean, chances are if that injector's leaking, it's probably just gonna leak in there anyways, right? We attempted to bleed the brakes to no avail. We got quite a bit of fluid out of this one, but the pedal's still shit. Let's just go for a test trip anyways.
Fuck it.
It's got oil pressure though.
That's all that matters. It's a little crunchy back in the back.
Yeah. What if I do a donut?
I bet you it will.
I bet you it will not. It doesn't have enough fuel.
No.
That can't be it. That's a terrible ending.
You're leaking fuel up here.
Oh, where at?
Right here out of this line. The one that has no fucking...
Oh, good. Yeah, I never had a clamp on it anyways. Now let's see if I start.
Ooh. Just enough to get her back.
Alright, let's see if it'll like try to rip it shitty and then we'll put it back away and order parts.
That's okay. No.
Well, I guess that ends our fun today for the Z. We're going to try to limp it back to the shop. We're going to order an injector. Maybe we'll think about ordering some brake parts too, but for now I really just want to get this piece of crap running enough to drive it around, you know, even if it doesn't have brakes. I really want to do a donut. So there's going to be a delay in this week's video, guys, but you know, I'll throw a couple shorts out there, make you happy. See you in a couple days.